Vacuum. Vacuum on the system.
For 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Alright. Here's our tank. Hose tank. Front tank. It's got the top valve is designated for vapor. And the bottom is liquid. Both valves are open. I got a connector on here to allow the flow to come out to see if it's liquid or vapor. You can open it up.
Vapor.
And come over here to the liquid side. Open it up.
Liquid.
Liquid.
Very good.
Alright. Now, we've taken our connector. This is the liquid connector. We're connecting it to the liquid port.
Liquid.
We're taking the vapor connector, connecting it to the vapor port of the tank.
Nice.
Both valves are closed at the present time.
Very good.
Door, it's reading a level of 25% full. I'm going to open the valve. And it is 5:38 a.m. and we're going to hit the cycle switch. Now that begins the cooling down process, which probably takes about 20 minutes or so.
Good.
There it is. And I'm going to open up the vapor port on the tank.
Can you read that?
Yes, sir. It's reading 330 psi.
PSI. Over here we got chamber at 10. Vent. Just want to make sure you see we have the new solenoid.
And it's...
Yeah, I just showed him my watch.
See, I was right. Almost 20 minutes.
Yeah. 19. So,
That's it. It probably... Yeah. 120 and 220.
looking kind of cold there to me.
Yeah, sometimes it gets stuck, but...
Second pump. Oh, not achieving pressure. It'll be a while. I noticed they start doing that. It's going because it's when you see it's not going back into the tank. I wish if I put this on a scale, But I said, before I go to that point,
Well,
I want him to explain how come the discharge pressure, unless the gauge, you're saying the gauge has failed, but if the gauge is not working properly, you'll see the level switch failure light come on.
yeah. Well, you know what I like about this?
You've got one pump. I think the way it was explained to me, one pump is like the primer. It takes you from 0 to, I don't know.
Yeah,
150.
You can see, yeah.
And then the other pump takes it from 150 all the way to the 350 pump, whatever. And it looks like it's trying to go through its process, but it's reaching some point where it's saying, oh, this is as high as I'm going to go. And that's it. And I don't know where that agent is going. I honestly don't think it's going back into the tank.
Explain that. Right, so you're explaining that the cold liquid halon coming out.
All this line.
These lines are cold down here.
And then here it's like it's not.
And here. So we would expect if we had cold liquid halon going back into the tank by the liquid port, that this would be super cooled. And it is not anywhere near as cold as this stuff over here is. It's got ice on it from water vapor.
And all my dealings, whenever I'm removing the liquid back into the tank, that whole side is like this. It's super cold.
Super cold.
That's
okay.
how I know it's going back into the tank.
Yep.
It's not doing it.
Yeah. Okay.